Go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, ilang tanong kaugnay sa bill, no? Una po dito sa definition of terms yung parang coverage, particularly yung vulnerable sectors. Nilista po rito from low-income households, disadvantaged and underemployed workers, public transport drivers, farmers, fisherfolk, MSMEs, overseas Filipino workers, and other sectors as may be identified by the Kalinga Interagency Task Force based on data-driven assessment of vulnerability. Kanina si Chair may sinabi, sana all. Ganon, no? Tapos, sa kasalukuyang krisis, may lumalakas po na sentimiento mula sa yung tinatawag na middle class, no? Let's call them lower and middle income earners, lalo na yung mga professionals. For example, teachers po, na ang tingin ay kailangan din nila ng tulong sa krisis na ito, ngunit parang hindi nabibigyan. So, kahit po dito sa bill ay wala ito. Paano po ba yun, Mr. Chair? Hindi ba dapat meron ding explicit na pagkilala na dapat ding tulungan ng ating lower and middle income earners?